Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how to set up the finance charge terms in Business Central. I will explain what you need to consider to set up this, and also that you need to select this finance charge term to the customer if you want to use this in order to calculate the finance charge in Business Central. So please subscribe my channel and add your comments. I am more than happy to answer any question that you may have. So let's go to Business Central and check how we can do this and use the standard functionality in Business Central. Here, let's find the charge terms in Business Central, finance charge terms. So here, let's go to receivable, and we have here finance charge term. Here we already have two finance charge terms, one from domestic customers and other for foreign customers. So basically, let's go through the setup for the domestic so I can explain what you need to consider when you create these finance charge terms in Business Central. So let's go this. So here basically is the code of your finance term. Then you add the description. So be clear about the value. So this will help the users to select this properly. And then this is basically the setup of Business Central, how you want to show the data. So here you just have to follow. Also the detailed description, also you just have to follow the example here. Then you have the option to add the minimum amount if you your company, for example, just post this finance charge. If it's more than $10 or euros, you can add this. Also here, if you want to charge this customer with additional fee, you can add here. In this case, we are just add the interest. So you can see here that is 1.5. And how we will calculate this. So we have here three options, just the open entry, for all closed entries, or all entries. In this case here, the open entries. And also we have to define how will be our interest calculation method. So here we have two options, average daily balance and balance due. So let's consider the average daily balance. Also, you can define here what is the period that you will calculate. In this case, we are adding 30 days. And then you have to define here when you calculate this finance charge, what will be the due date for this. So here will be 1 month. And we also need to define here what is the grace period for this. In this case, 5 days. Then we will select here how we will work with this. If we will post this interest, so I need to activate this. And also, if I want to post the additional fee, I need to activate it. And then we have here one third option, that is idle fee interest. basically, if you want to specify that any additional fees are included in the interest calculation for this finance charge, you have also to activate it. So he basically is what you need to set up in order to create this finance charge term in Business Central. We have two examples, but you can add as much you need. So let's go to the customer and see how we can select this, because it is one thing that you need to consider. In order to calculate the finance charge, you have to set up this option in the customer. So let's go here. Let's go to the customer. I will select this 2000. I already have, just show you how is the setup. Okay. If we go here to the payments, usually you need to show more, because if you look like that, you cannot see the field. So please click here in show more, and then you can see here that you have the remind term code. So you have here the option to select is domestic or foreign, and you have the finance charge term code, that is basically the option that we checked before. So 1.5. Here, let me see if we can go. In this case here, if you go to the entries, go here. Okay. If we go to this balance here, okay, so you can see here that I already calculate for this 3 invoice that is open, and all is the due date. Okay. Okay, but if you check here, you can see that you have the option. You can go directly from this movement. You can create the finance charge member, and also from here you can create the remind. If you want first send a remind to the customer, and then if the customer does not answer, you go and create the finance chart. Okay, this is basically the function and how you can set up this. I will post another video that you will be able to see how you can process this with real example. So please subscribe my channel and add your comments, and I will be more than happy to answer you. Thank you, and see you next video.